and we completely agree with that. The end goal is deterrence of a nuclear war in and of itself, because that would be devastating. However, the negative also stated that by having a no first use policy, we could act preemptively. What does the negative mean by this preemptive act? Does this preemptive act involve nuking another country and potentially starting a nuclear war?
Where did we mention that?
Joe mentioned it in his rebuttal.
Okay. So this act of preemption is only meant as a deterrence. It basically means that the United States has the opportunity to act this way, but doesn't necessarily need to or has ever acted this way.
The United States can preemptively nuke another
Have
country.
the United
starting
States
a
ever
nuclear war?
preemptively nuked another country?
Okay, so then we can use our conventional methods, which we can use anyways.
That
without
wasn't
a
my
no-first use
question.
policy.
Could you answer my question, please?
What was your question?
Has the United States ever preemptively nuked another country?
The only time we've nuked another country was the nuking of Japan in Hiroshima and Nagasaki. We dropped 2 bombs, killing millions of people.
And do you know how many millions were saved because of those 2 bombs that were dropped?
That is widely debated.
So you would agree that more people would die if the use of nuclear weapons
The
were not
affirmative
used.
never stated that we would agree.
So under a no first use policy, you realize that we would not be allowed to drop those nuclear strikes.
Yeah, I understand. And when at the time when we dropped those bombs in Japan, we were the only country in the world with nuclear bombs developed. Therefore, another country could not strike us back and start a nuclear war. We were the only ones that had the potential when we nuked Japan.
So are
But
you saying we shouldn't have nuked Japan or that we should have?
I'm saying it doesn't matter because circumstances are different
So the
now.
lives of the millions of people saved with those 2 bombs don't matter?
I'm saying it's irrelevant.
I'd like to move on now. Has the president ever launched an attack without the approval of Congress and